IVM.
Guys, let's start with the first game. The first game is called Bollywood Jeopardy.
Yeah.
Okay, how this game works?
मैं तो कहूँगा बॉलीवुड जेपर्डी में है.
Correct, you're right.
You sound like
Points.
gems of
What's up?
Bollywood right now.
Bollywood is in Jeopardy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How this game works is you have to ask the question, say the answer in the form of a question. Okay, if you don't say it in the form of a question, I will let the other person steal it.
Okay.
I will read out the Google plot description of a very popular movie. You just have to tell me what movie it is. You have to buzz in with a unique sound each time, and as unique as possible. But thoda bahut is fine. So let's just start off. It's very simple. Let's just start off. You have to ask it as a question. Remember, all right?
Okay.
Buzz in with the sound. So buzzers are ready. Let's go. Bollywood Jeopardy. The first movie is Pooja, a simple housewife, lives with her husband and 2 children. However, when her husband leaves her for a beautiful model,
Bebo.
Rupali,
Bebo.
Sonali will go first. She gets a glamorous makeover to grab his attention. Sonali.
Is the movie's name BV number
Ah,
1?
it is
That's
the
the
one.
one answer I knew, dude. That's
You
the
know,
one answer I
you
knew.
know a lot
You know,
more. Don't
I
worry.
saw you leaping
Don't
for
worry.
it, and I knew when he
Shit,
said
dude.
Pooja with 2 children, I'm like, I know, but I'm just going to cut in before
Oh,
Saurabh.
wow.
Dude, so my parents were in the government, right? So they used to have this service ke liye, they used to have preview shows of a lot of films.
Okay.
And we saw some really good films, and then we were like, wow, man, Bollywood's great. And then they made us go for BV number 1. And after that movie, they stopped screening. It was such a shit movie, dude. It was
was not-
atrocious.
I mean, there are more.
was horrible.
There are worse David Dhawan movies. This is
I
not.
mean, no.
Dude,
don't
I
think it was
remember watching BV number 1, and oh my god, those songs
The
were
songs
such
are
a
great.
rage.
Songs
I
were
was,
still great.
But I still remember watching, I'm like, why is Anil Kapoor doing this role?
Yeah, that's true.
He used to
Yeah,
feel
yeah.
like something.
Yeah.
So on the poster of BV number 1, right, there is Sushmita Sen, Salman and Anil. There's no charisma on the poster. Isn't that crazy?
What?
Wasn't there
That's
some-
crazy,
Yeah,
because
that
she is
crazy.
BV.
She
Yeah.
is. That's the whole the plot is
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like doing the poster of Andor and just putting that robot guy.
Yeah.
That
like-
reference just went above my head.
I was watching Andor yesterday.
That reference also just went above my
Watching
head.
yesterday?
I don't know Andor.
So Star Wars is a
Arey.
franchise.
Oh,
that
okay,
exists.
okay, all right.
Correct.
Yeah.
Guys, can we talk about the Golmaal franchise? Then I'll know stuff.
The more selling, higher selling one. So that was BV number 1. 5 points for Sonali.
My
Next
sound
up.
is Bebo, by the way. Did you
Yeah, I
guys
know,
notice?
notice that.
Okay,
Good
cool.
sound. Yeah.
Thanks.
Good sound. Next up.
Popo.
A game of cat and mouse ensues when 4 unique people from different backgrounds leave on a fateful journey to find a suitcase containing INR 25 crores, which has been stolen from a gangster.
Shit. Arey, yaar.
What?
A game of cat and mouse ensues when 4 unique people from different backgrounds leave on a fateful journey.
Popo.
Okay, you go first. To find a suitcase containing INR 25 crores, which has been stolen from a gangster.
Is it loot case?
It is not loot.
I
That
think
is
the,
not even the plot.
isn't that the plot of loot case?
No,
He
you're just
finds-
going by the name.
finds
Can
the
we get a
suitcase.
clue and then you can half our points?
Okay, you can get a clue.
He doesn't know himself. He's like, oh, clue card nahi socha main.
I'll give you
Give us-
Anil Kapoor.
Anil Kapoor. I think I know, but then is there negative marking?
There are no negative marks.
Anil Kapoor, huh?
Yeah.
Are we going sound wise or is it Sonali's turn?
I mean, you can. Nobody's made a sound yet. Nobody's guessing.
Popo.
Yet. Yeah, go ahead.
Welcome.
No, now you're done with guesses.
Bebo. Race.
Not race.
Oh, damn.
Okay.
She's allowed
Final
one more
hint
guess.
for
Okay.
1 point now.
Okay.
You could have won 5, but I'll give you one more.
Okay.
This is gonna be very simple. So whoever says it first now, size 0.
Oh, Popo.
Yes.
Bebo.
See, I infected you.
You're annoying. Why are you doing that? Tashan.
Yeah, that's right. That's 1 point.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Tashan.
Not a question.
Oh
you can
my
steal
God.
it. You can
Is it
steal
What
it.
is the name of
Is it
Tashan?
Is it Tashan? I said
you
it.
did.
I said
You
it.
didn't, and I caught it, and you can just steal it with 1 point if you want.
Okay, let me phrase this properly. Okay? What is the name of the movie in which Bebo is size 0 starring Anil Kapoor? It's Tashan.
Still not.
Come
That's not a
on.
question.
Still not a
Thanks,
question.
Saurabh. I appreciate
Not a
it.
question.
Now you
Okay.
can do it.
Nobody
Is
gets
it
points for that.
Tashan?
Okay, fine. 1 point for Sonali. No worries.
Yes, I'm very competitive when it comes to Bollywood games, and I always lose in Bollywood quizzes.
Dude, listen. I did a quiz with Kumar Varun, the one you're trying to be,
Yeah.
and I did it with Shrija Chaturvedi on
Okay.
IPL.
Yeah.
Okay, I watched
The one you're trying knew we
Yeah, every match of the IPL I watched,
Yeah.
and Shrija destroyed me. Like
Oh, wow.
she annihilated me.
Really?
Because she prepared and came.
Oh wow.
So she knew like the first match of the IPL. I didn't know prep. I'm like, मेरे को सब मालूम है. So yeah.
Hilarious.
That's so funny.
Yeah.
All right. Movie number 3. Again, buzzers ready, guys. 6 couples face problems in their lives when fate forces them to move away from each other. They must overcome these issues in order to make their love triumphant. 6 couples face problems in their lives when fate forces them to move away from each other.
I have
They
a
must overcome these
feeling.
issues in order to make their love triumphant.
Bebo.
Yes.
Is the movie's name Salame-ish?
It is Salame.
Oh my God!
5 more points. for
Wow,
killing it.
dude.
Yeah.
Killing it.
Salame Ishq has 6 couples, or?
Yeah, it was kind of like inspired from Love Actually.
Oh
kind
yeah,
of
yeah,
like
oh,
that.
yeah, yeah.
That song Tennu Leke Main
Ah.
Javanga.
I thought in my head I was trying to think of which 6 couples, and then I thought of Life in a Metro. That's the only movie.
Wow,
Like,
you
that's not
watched
the
Live
movie.
in a Metro. That's
I did,
quite
yeah.
Both these movies have very good songs.
I remember.
Yes, I only remember this Tennu Leke because it's at
But
every
there's also
Sangeet
Ye
ever.
Ada Hai, Ye Ada Ye Vavan Hai. That Priyanka Chopra song.
Oh yeah.
Also Mera Dil Dil Mera.
Yeah, I never liked it.
Oh,
I always
yeah.
changed the radio channel
Oh, I love
whenever they
that song.
played it.
Alright, next movie.
Okay.
Good for Nothing brothers Munnu and Bunnu crack elaborate practical jokes, one of which goes out of hand. As a result, Bunnu goes missing and is presumed dead while Munnu is suspected of his murder.
Oh my god. I just blanked out. I don't know which one this is.
Popo,
Yes?
is it Inception?
Yeah! We have real answers.
And crack elaborate practical jokes.
I have no
and
clue.
one of them
I've
goes
realized
out
I'm
of
just going to do
hand.
joke answers now. And let Sonali try and get as many points. as
No,
she
I
can.
need clue. I can't
Okay,
think of
Okay,
anything.
now for half points then, clue is...
Half points means 2.5 points. Are you going to
Yes.
get into halves now?
Yeah, 2.5. Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll do it. We're done for. No worries.
Okay.
You want to stay at full? Is that what I say?
I'm saying that each clue you give, you should half it further. So we
The
should go from
2.5
2.5 to
1.25
1.25 and then
That's too much.
0.675.
No,
Come
no.
on, let's do
Okay.
it.
That's
All
too
right.
Let's do
इतने
it.
hints नहीं मिलने वाले.
He's
Okay.
obsessed with the Fibonacci sequence.
In reverse.
Yeah.
All right. The hint is Govinda double roll.
Oh.
Govinda double role. Actually, from the names Munnu and Bunnu, I knew it had to be a Govinda movie.
Yeah, fair.
Popo.
Yes.
Divane. Is it Divane Mastane?
Deewane Mastane.
Arey, it has Anil Kapoor.
I know double roll also.
Munnu and Bunnu.
Is it?
Yeah. Also, but I should say Munnu and Bunnu both are not played by Govinda. Only one of them is Bunnu is played by Govinda.
Can I ask a question,
Yes,
which is
do
not
it.
the answer,
Yeah.
but I mean this will be a clue. Is it the one where Govinda is like, "Arey, mere to ye."
That sounds like Amrish Puri.
He plays that Punjabi character, yeah. Isn't that the
It is
same one?
Lali Lalu, that one.
Ah, that guy, yeah. yeah.
That's Jodi number 1,
That's
na?
not
Jodi,
Or
that's
Hasina Maan Jayegi.
Ah,
Yeah,
that's the one.
yeah.
Is it Hasina
No,
Maan
no,
Jayegi?
okay, you have any guess?
No.
Okay. No more
For-
guess.
for
No, give us
Changi Pandey. Changi Pandey.
Uh,
Changi Pandey, Govinda double roll.
Bebo.
Yes.
Aankhein?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
That's 1 point.
Yeah.
No, 1.25.
1.25.
You're cheating her. You're cheating her of 0.25. Come on, do some calculations.
Do some
yeah.
maths.
Just sitting there with your notepad. Make yourself useful with some fractional
Now
numbers.
Saurabh is getting competitive. He's
Yeah,
like, my
yeah.
hat is off.
I cank think sometimes.
It's too heavy.
It's the opposite of a thinking hat.
My head is like a satellite. Network nahi aa raha ऊपर से.
All right. Last two in this game. After his brother is killed and father severely injured by terrorists, a young medical student quits his studies to join the Indian police service to wipe out the terrorists.
Popo,
Yes, sir.
is it every John Abraham movie?
More or less. Actually, no. I don't think he's ever done this.
I don't know. Yeah.
Dude, if you give a John Abraham movie, I will not know anything because he's like parallel cinema. I have no idea.
You're just
what
shitting on
movies
John
he's
Abraham.
done.
Poor guy. He's done
Excepting
nothing
like
to
the
you.
big ones. No, like Batla House and all. Like it's just
Yeah.
things like I hear has
It was
done
Batla
well.
House. Oh my god, how do you get it?
Oh my god.
Imagine if that's what it was.
No, I just want to explore this idea of parallel cinema. John Abraham.
I don't know who is watching these movies, but it's doing well. I don't
Yeah,
get
yeah.
it. Like Satyamev Jayate and all.
Two of them.
There's two.
Yeah. There
But
was
you
a
saw Pathan.
Pathan I saw because of Shah Rukh.
Because-
Who is watching
yeah.
Pathan?
Lots of people. Yeah, John Abraham's whole household went.
Yeah, that's like
Yeah.
the whole Parsi community. That's like 8 people. Sorry.
Any guesses though? After his brother is killed and father severely injured by terrorists, a young medical student quits his studies to join the Indian police service to wipe out the terrorists.
After his brother is killed and father is severely injured by terrorists, young medical student quits his studies.
It's a difficult
Join
हो
the
गया ना ये वाले?
Indian. Yeah, it is difficult.
Yeah,
We
so
need clue.
I'll give you
We need
half
clue.
points. Half
Yeah.
points. It's Amir Khan.
Bebo.
Yes.
Is it
Yes.
Sarfarosh?
It is Sarfarosh.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
Sarfarosh.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah. That I've seen.
2.5 points. Yes, for Sonali. And the last one that we will play in this is Sunny Kele and Aditya Chotia are two spoilt bachelors who are sex addicts. Their life takes an unexpected turn after they meet twin sisters Lily and Leila, who treat sex addicts at their clinic.
Bebo.
Popo. Ah,
She did
shit.
say it was-
Is it Masti
Fuck
Zade?
me, man. That's the only answer I knew. That's the only other answer I
Why
knew.
did I know this without a clue?
Because
That
I'm
is
so sad.
sad.
Because of Veer Das.
Because of Veer.
But I actually knew
No,
because
because
of the
Sunny
names.
Leone.
Yeah, Lily and Leila, I remember.
Yeah,
More
I
Sunny
remember
Leone, yeah.
Kele and then I think at one point Aftab Shivdasani's name is Lele.
Yeah.
Lele Dood or something like
Yeah.
that. Was
That's his
that was
name. Lele
Masti.
Dood.
yeah,
Lele Dood
Masti,
was
but I
Masti
knew
ka-
like
yeah,
this.
Dude, Sonali, you
joke
got
was
it
a
completely
run.
wrong. She said Masti, man.
Masti
No,
Zade,
Masti-
उसी का play
I'm
हुआ
not
ना यार.
derailed.
Masti is the
Masti-
first one.
I think
Yeah.
it was Milap.
Wait one second. This is a sequel of Masti, what?
Yeah, Masti Zade is a sequel.
Dude, what is that movie where they were like Style, Mere Rehne? That was called Style.
That's
Style.
Style.
Style में रहने दो. समझ गया.
Style was a great film.
Style is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really liked it.
A gambler turns into a cricket bookie, banking on his sixth
Bebo.
sense for the game. Sonali. But his urge to make quick money pushes him into match fixing, and he loses control
Bebo,
of his
Bebo, Bebo,
life
Bebo,
and love.
Bebo, 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 Lolo, Kapoor Khandan.
Yes, bolo.
Is it the movie about the serial kisser Imran Hashmi called Jannat?
Yes.
Oh
Yes.
my god, dude. What is this?
Dude,
yeah?
I saw the shooting of this movie in Nirmal Lifestyle in Mulund.
Really?
Where I was doing articleship over there.
Wow.
You're doing
And-
articleship in Nirmal Lifestyle.
Yeah,
Lifestyle?
my office was in Nirmal Lifestyle's office complex,
okay,
and
huh.
they were like in the afternoon we would go for lunch breaks, and we saw the shooting, and like basically people were surrounded. So I went up to people and like, kiska hai? And they're like, "Arey madam, koi nahi.
Madam,
Imran Hashmi,
don't
chodo."
worry.
I was like, okay, but the movie was too good.
Movie was actually
Yeah.
pretty good.
Jannat in Search of Heaven. Why,
Search of
what is the
Heaven.
heaven part in it?
I
She
mean,
dies,
Jannat
na?
is the name, no?
Oh,
The name is heaven.
one second. So she dies.
Yeah, the girl
How much does
dies.
he make on that? It's like
A box office hit.
No,
1:6
That's
odds
the
on the
girl
box
that
office.
Sonal
he
Chauhan dies.
Does he not die in the movie?
He dies?
I
No,
think
she
he
dies.
dies.
You think
na?
he's
The
becoming a
love
bookie
dies.
from heaven where he's
no,
just looking down?
It's like he dies, no, because like his path led him to him dying, and then I remember the last scene being her walking,
And
like,
she
in
dies.
memory-
And the police shoots and she dies.
Police shoots her?
Yeah, but somebody can research that.
Yeah, just
If,
One second,
yeah,
police
could be wrong.
shoots her for what reason?
Like
Hey.
they come to catch
guy.
him
Yeah.
in
okay.
action. He's on the path of redemption that I'm going to leave everything. And then when you're about to leave everything, the police catches up with you.
Yeah.
And then the price of his problems was that he had to give up on the love of his life.
But this is the climax of the film.
Yes,
the climax.
yes.
Oh, okay.
Don't
But
watch
this-
it anymore.
But then the
I
Search
guess.
of Heaven took damn long to come.
Yeah. It never came only, no?
Yeah, I mean,
It's a good name, man. Just let Imran
I mean,
Hashmi
Search
have
of Heaven. If I
success.
saw Jannat in Search of Heaven, it's like it's Imran Hashmi just making out with angels or something like that. Like that would make more sense.
That is, yeah.
Yeah,
But
but
he's
a
a-
bad movie.
Dude, he's a pretty good actor, man. I like the guy.
Yeah.
Am
I
I
like his
right about my
vibes.
plot? Oh,
Oh, I'm
Imran
right?
dies?
Wow, that
Oh,
never
no.
happens on the show.
Oh no.
Yeah, he gets shot. That's what I remember.
Oh, he gets shot. I'm so glad that was not the question then.
Yeah, sorry.
He gets shot while proposing to
Who
his...
gets shot in the end of Jannah?
Was it?
Oh my god, what a great proposal.
And
Yeah.
he has a ring in his hand.
Yeah.
that's when
And
Pooja
she
shoots
still
him.
says yes, and at the end of the movie, she's wearing the ring. What an idiot. He's
Oh
dying.
my
Why do you still want to
No,
God.
but that's smart, right? It's not like his deaths are going to become her deaths. She just gets all his property.
Yeah,
And she accepted. So legally, if I was in a court of law, I'm not a lawyer.
But they didn't sign
Doesn't it
anything,
get seized
unfortunately.
by the government?
I
If
mean,
you die?
listen, depends on how many properties we're talking about. I'm sure he has.
Also,
if
how
he's
much
a
black money
good
and all.
gambler, he must have some property stacked away somewhere.
You
in,
know so much
Yeah.
about property being stacked
property
away.
do you have stacked
by gamblers.
Probably.
I would say I think she did a good thing by keeping the ring.
Right.
And also, you can sell the ring. Come on, okay, that's the
also
most
true,
basic
that's
thing.
also
Yeah.
true,
yeah,
Yeah.
And if it's a bookie's ring, then I mean, like that would
No,
be.
but I think
yeah.
it's like years later, and she's still wearing it after that.
Oh, that's-
weirdo. I'm
Maybe
just trying to-
she
I don't
found
Maybe a
it-
good ring,
Just
yeah.
Yeah, maybe it is a really good ring, yeah.
Like I have gifts given by ex.
Maybe she sold the more expensive one and then bought a cheap replica years later. And that's what she's
She said she has gifts by ex-boyfriends which are there.
They're not dead. That's why, it's not like that's why they're my ex-boyfriend.
That's the only way to break up. This should be the only way to break up. Yeah.
He's dead.
He's dead.
To
yeah.
me.
IVM